Hello, my name is Joseph, and today I'll walk you through my cloud storage application, Google Drive. So, my structure of my cloud storage is that I have a folder here titled EDCI 270. You click on that, I have another folder embedded in that folder called US Climate Change, which is my theme. Now, within this folder, I can create a document. I'm going to title it EDCI 270 theme. Now it's in my US climate change folder. I can also share this document with other people by clicking on the share button and entering their email address. I can also share um, a folder. So if I right click on the folder, I can share it with others. This concludes my brief presentation on my cloud storage application.